Guys, welcome back. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and show you a kind of a cheap alternative to a camping pad. It can be placed under your sleeping bag, or you know, it's multi-use, so you could also use it for car camping or work on a vehicle while on the road. But I picked this up at Harbor Freight. It's actually a folding mechanics pad, and I got that for it's just under $25. I'll put a picture of the receipt up here for you. But I'll go ahead and open this up and let you take a look. Be right back. Okay, as you can see here, it's relatively pretty short, but it folds up compactly. You know, it's just a couple of inches thick. It's just over an inch thick, I believe. Let's take a quick measurement here and see what we can come up with. Alright. As you can see, it's just shy of an inch and a half thick. And it's got these Velcro straps that attach on each side. Keeps it secure, which are pretty nice. Plus has this handle. This handle is a nice little added bonus there. So folds up pretty good, and I think it'd be great for car camping, or even an alternative to a more expensive pad that goes under your sleeping bag. The width right at 17 inches, and the length is right at 47. So it's not going to cover your entire torso, but it'll at least cover the upper half. So I think that will be a nice alternative. It's got a nice little padded area here on the top. A little windy out here today, isn't it? It's just shy of 3 inches there. So and that area is right at 5 inches by 17. So there we have it. Check it out. Let's take a look at the price. See right there, total after discounts $22.67. $22.67 there. So hope that helps. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one. Take care.